Everybody, this is Mariposa Makeup 13 and we are back with the new start of November. This is time to get into the season of, we're getting close to winter. Also, the time is going to be changing over here where we are, which is I am in Canada. The time's going to be going back. I think it's going back something like that. If I'm not mistaken, I'm going to double check after, because like, oh my god, the time goes forward, back, oh my god, it's always a mix-up. And it's always crazy the day when it does happen, because it's like I feel like I'm missing out like on a time, or I feel like the day is going way too fast because it gets darker. So we are going to be opening up the Ipsy for this month, and this month we get the icon box. So let's get into the theme of the month. It is glow off this winter, and this is it. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you right now is the Ipsy Glam Bag, which has 5 deluxe samples, and it's estimated value of $70, and it costs $14 a month. And like I said, you get 5 deluxe samples and you choose one. So this is such an adorable, cute little bag here. I am excited to be opening it up with you guys here. So we're gonna see what we have here first. The first item I have here, this is the Marc Anthony Repair Balm. This is leave-in conditioner, so this is definitely nice to have because it comes in like, a nice little spray, and always nice to have for your hair, because we have to, as well take care of the hair, the face, everything is a must, and it's great travel size. So the next item I have here, this is Love Craft Beauty. This is gel line eye pencil, and this is, let's see, oh, Searchlight, that's the shade. So it looks like it's like a silver, and I'm gonna, whoa, it looks really nice. You can see that it has like a little shimmer, like little sparkles in it. Really perfect for the holiday season, which I am so excited to get into. And let's open up the next item. Right here we have the Fenty Beauty, and this is Gloss Bomb, and this is Fenty Glow, yes. So let's open her up. Look at the beautiful, oh my god, look at that, such a beautiful gloss. Look at that. Let me swatch it here, you guys. I can see me wearing this right away. Like, I honestly would have put it on, but like I have like something on my lips already, but honestly this is a must. So the next item here we have, it is Gold Feather MD. This is eye define. So this is like I think it's like an eye cream, and definitely nice to have because the eye area always love to take care of as well. Oh, and lastly we have, this is Ballerina, and this is Element eyeshadow palettes. So let's open this up. Wow, she is stunning. They have the nice shimmers and the mattes, and like honestly I could see myself playing with this like right away, because this is just like kind of practical, right? Like perfect like when you want to do a nice look and like you don't want to use like a big eyeshadow palette. That's why I think these always come in handy, because sometimes you don't need to grab the big eyeshadow palette, you just want to work something simple, so this will come in handy. And yeah, now I'm gonna be showing you guys the Ipsy by Boxycharm. So let's open it up. So now we have the Ipsy by Boxycharm, like I was mentioning, and I am so excited to open this up. So the Boxycharm has 5 full-size products, and you get to choose 3, and it's an estimated value of $200 in the box, so it costs you $30 a month. And this one with the Ipsy Glam Bag comes monthly, and the icon box comes quarterly. So let's see what we have here. So this Ipsy by Boxycharm always comes inside with this nice pamphlet right here, see? And it's really nice because it just tells you the theme as well, glow off this winter, which is really nice. And let's take a peek. So ooh, we get the sneak peek. See, oh my goodness, this is the person in charge of our icon box, like she put it together, so that's nice. And we get to see a little sneak peeks too of what we could get inside our box of the one I'm going to show you right now. And let's see, oh yeah, wow, they even have a nice exciting sale for the Black Friday, which is definitely a must. Like if you want to stock up, if you want to buy gifts, definitely. Oh, and they have the advent calendar, so they have so much promotions that you guys do not want to miss out. So let's get into opening it up. And the first item we have here, this is from Moral, and this is Essential Sea Cleanser. So this is how it looks. Lovely. And I am so excited for giving a nice try to a cleanser, because I use them so many. Like I use a lot, like, you know, daily we have to be taking care of our skin, cleansing our skin. So I know this is essential in my routine. Let's see the next item. Oh wow, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Violet Voss, Disco Drip. So I haven't really seen this eyeshadow palette, so let's take a peek and see what we have here. But I do know their formula are really good. Like I think I have a couple of them, like I don't know if it's 2 or around there, right? And it's really pigmented and makes nice eyeshadow looks. So let's open. Oh wow, she is stunning. You need to see this. You need to see the, like, oh my god, look at the shimmers. Like they're really calling up for the holiday. Like I know this is gonna be perfect for doing a nice fancy eye look for the holidays now. So this I'm gonna give a try right away. So the next item we have here, this is from Sonej, and this is Collagen Boosting Serum. Serums are really nice to have as well. Like I know how to layer it up with, like, you know, moisturize before you put this, and then the moisturizer. So definitely nice and great size as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're almost done. So this other item here we have, this is Bare Minerals Maxin, and this is a black mascara, which I'm not going to open. I don't open mascara unless I'm going to use. So once I give it a try, I'll let everybody know how it is. But if you have tried this, let me know in the comments. But I know I'm going to keep this to a side, so see when I could finish with what I'm currently working with, because that's going to be good. And the next item here is Duel of Gods, and this is lip butter apple sugar plum. Ooh, it sounds really good, like delicious, the flavor. And let's see. Ooh, what is it? I like to kind of, you know, I could, yeah, because this is a lip butter. It has no color, so it's basically clear, as you can see, right? And it's really, you could actually smell that. Ooh, this is gonna go in my purse or my pocket now, my jacket, because now with this change in weather, we need to take care of those lips, or else nothing's gonna look good. Like, you know, it's gonna be dry and all that. That's why you need all the lips. Lip butter and all the, you know, lip mask and all the thing. So now we are going to open the last box, which is the Icon box. We have the Icon box. Look how big. This one has 8 full-size products, and it's put together by a celebrity. So the estimate value of the box is $350, and it costs $60 quarterly. So let's see what we have here to open up together. So this does have, hold on a second, let me see. Okay, here we go. It has a pamphlet. That's what I was looking for, because we need to see this beauty. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is really nice to have in the Icon box, so we get a little bit of, you know, story behind, little sneak previews, because you could probably get something of this in your box, which I get kindly gifted from Ipsy, and I don't choose anything, so I am so grateful for this, because it's really fun to try out. Look, more previews here, and lots of more info, which if you have time, I definitely recommend for you to look into this lovely pamphlet. So let's see what we have here. The first item, it is Origin, and this is Ginseng, and this is a daily moisturizer, so it has SPF 30. And let's see right here. Oh, that's a great size, and it's always nice to have, you know, especially when it has SPF, something that we need in our routine daily. So this is Core's, and this is Volcanic Skin Reset Mask. I am excited to give this a try because I've heard many people talking and recommending this brand. So this is it, and this one I probably will love to try tonight because like I heard so much, you know, positive reviews, positive thoughts on it, and I'm thinking, you know what, I need to try at least something from this brand, and this is it. What a sign, right? So the next item here we have, this is Bayouche, I think it's called, Scalp Revive, and this is rosemary pre-wash oils for the hair and scalp. See, I love it because we get something for your hair as well, for like, you know, the scalp health, so to take care. And this is really nice. I am excited. I'm gonna, you know what, maybe tonight I'll give this a try because I need to like hair wash my hair, and then perfect timing, so why not, let's give this a try. Oh look, this is their mount, and this is Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. Wow, I'm definitely a fan of getting cleanser because like I mentioned before, I go through so many that, you know what, this is always a must for me, you know, a must for us daily to, you know, have a cleanser, moisturizer, all that we need to have, and this came in perfect handy for me, like perfect time. It's like they would have read my mind here. Oh wow, this is nice. They sent me a perfume in the box here. This is Rosy perfume, and this is by, this is the name is by Rosie Jane. So let's give this a try. Wow, look at that. Oh wow, let's spray some on. It smells so fresh. I love it. This is gonna go in my collection. Let's see. Oh look, we have Lair Mercier, and this is Caviar eyeliner pencil. So I'm guessing this is, oh, it's dark plum. Okay, so it's a dark plum, and this is how, let's see if I could swatch it right here. So this is it right there. It has a really nice pigment, so I love getting eyeliner because it's something, you know, to make the eyes look nice, like the pop of the, you know, when you do a nice eyeshadow look, you always look for a nice eyeliner. So oh, we have, look at that, Tarte Cosmetics, they have the Tarte Lit, and this is Juicy eyeshadow palettes. So let's open this up right here. Ooh, I'm like trying to put everything nicely so it doesn't fall, but you know, something always falls. And this is it right here. Look at that. Wow, such a beauty. And I love that it comes with a mirror, so like, you know, if I am sitting somewhere and I don't want to be with a whole mirror, I'll have this right here. So yeah, definitely nice to play with. Perfect timing. And lastly, we have, this is YSL Beauty. Let's see if I could take out this. Oh yeah, it's coming out here. Gorgeous. And this is Sincere. This is like a moisturizing lip, moisture matte lipstick, and this is Speak Love, and it's Sincere. The shade is Sincere. So look how beautiful the packaging is. Let me swatch it right here. Look at that. Such a gorgeous shade. Like honestly, they nailed it with the icon box. I am obsessed. I am loving everything I received for this month. Best subscription to get monthly, and if you guys haven't gotten to Ipsy, I definitely recommend because it's always so exciting to try different beauty, like skincare, hair care, you know, makeup, everything, a little bit of everything, even perfume, because like, look at this. This is a must, you know. Yeah, I'm really loving this month of November. Let me know in the comments if you are planning or if you are expecting to receive it, and if you have seen anything that I received that you're going to get in your box, let me know. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for always being here and supporting me along the way. Thank you. Bye bye.